Good day, my fellow forex traders. Please, according to the title of this video, please, I want to make a very sincere request from you guys. Please, guys, please, I need a new phone. Please, I need a new phone. I know it's quite shameful that at my age I can't get myself a new phone. But at the other hand, it's not my fault because I'm trying the best for myself. So, guys, please, in any way that you can support me, please. I promise you guys that if I become a profitable trader tomorrow, that I'm going to invest in other people, and I will make sure that I can. I make sure that I will teach as many people as possible forex trading, so that poverty will end. Guys, please. I know that even the phone I'm using to record, because your question might be, but you have phone, you're recording video. Yes, it's true, I have phone, but this phone I'm using to record now is iPhone 7. But the problem I'm having here is that um the problem I'm having with this phone is that, number one, the storage is too low. Like, the storage capacity of this phone is 32 gig, and it is very low. The second one is that the Apple this thing version is very low, and to upgrade it I need storage on my phone, but I don't have enough storage. And due to that low storage and outdated version of the Apple, some of my trading app like Xness, the broker that I'm using, Xness, I can't download Xness on my phone. Secondly, I can't download ChatGPT on my phone. As a newbie trader that I am, if I find any part of my trading history confusing, I should run to the AI, because we are in an era where AI can actually give you some idea about what you're looking for. But I don't have ChatGPT on my phone, and if I try to browse ChatGPT through my Chrome, it's not going. So, guys, please, in conclusion of all I've said, please, guys, I need a new phone. Please. I know your question again might be, but as healthy as are you not working? Can't you save up to buy new phone? See the work I'm doing here. See the work I'm doing. And this work I'm doing here now is not even how much do I make a day. Highest, if you work hard a day, you earn like $3. That's almost, in Nigerian naira, it is like 6,000 naira. So how long will I save 6,000 naira to get myself a new phone? Or even from that 6,000 naira, that $3, I will eat, I will buy data, I will wash my clothes, I will do some other stuff for myself. So at the end of the day, I don't have anything saved. So, and it is a very drawdown for me. So, guys, please, I need a new phone, even if it is iPhone XR. Even if it is iPhone XR, I can get iPhone XR for like 250,000 naira. Like, that should be around $150. Guys, please, I'm begging you guys from the deepest part of my heart, guys, please, anyhow you can contribute. I'll be leaving my account number in the description of the video, my account number. Guys, I promise that if this phone, if the money for this phone completes, I'm going to buy it and I'm going to record a video of appreciation to you guys. I promise never to use that money for any other thing apart from what I've asked for. If I use that money for any other thing, may God deal with me. But I know that sincerely I'm asking this because I need this phone for my trading journey, and so that I will improve more. Guys, as you guys are investing in me, I promise you guys, and also making a promise to God, that if I become profitable tomorrow, I'll make sure to teach as many people as possible forex trading, so that poverty will end entirely. Guys, please, this is the this is one of the way that you guys will support me in this my trading journey. Guys, please. And if you're a foreign fan of mine, you love what I'm doing, and you like to support me, I will leave my PayPal in the description of the video, so that, guys, please, I'm begging you guys with all I with my whole heart, and I'm making a promise to you guys that I'm not going to quit. I'm not going to quit at all. On a very good, I'm going to be watching the video I'm recording right now and be like, oh God, you have been faithful in my life, because I know that very soon I'll become a profitable trader, I'll become a millionaire trader, and I will make sure that I teach as many people as possible for trading, so that poverty will end. Guys, God bless you, because the Bible said that ask and you shall be given. And I'm asking, and I pray that God will touch each and every one of you, touch you guys' heart, and you guys will hear my cry. Thank you very much. See your boy KokusFx. In this my channel, I document my journey as a beginner forex trader till I become a profitable millionaire forex trader. So if this what if what I do will amaze you, please do well to subscribe to the channel and drop in the comments what you think about what I just said, and also like the video. Thank you for watching, and God bless. Bye bye. Peace. See you guys at the top. Bye bye.